All right, we got a pair of laces swap that we're gonna do today. We got black, we got royal blue. We don't know which one we're gonna decide yet. You can even put white in here, but we're gonna take out these because I like the blue pair. So take out the blue. You can then lace them up. I like to lace mine on the inside. Because I like them close together personally. Twist them, make sure they line up. You can almost fix these a little bit after. So now that we to almost to the middle part, I'm gonna show you how to lace the inside. So now that we right here to the inside, I'm gonna take my laces and I'm just gonna lace on the inside of the tongue. That way it keeps the tongues like right in place. A lot of people don't like to, lace the inside. They don't want to take the time out. But if you order them from me or, you get a custom pair of shoes and you want me to lace them, then I'm more than likely gonna lace the shoe up and I'm gonna do the tongue part. So here's the tongue part. We got that laced up already. Then you can finish lacing your sew to the top. I'm going to lace on the outside instead of going back in because I'm at the top and then I'm finished. Clean up your laces, make sure they're straight and together. Tie them in a quick little knot and fold them in right here because I like this part. I want to leave a little bit of lace. So that's how I like my shoe to look clean. And you can decide whatever laces you want. Let's go.